Yeah, baby, you did this one.
What's up, happy YouTube? It's your girl Diana back with another YouTube video. This video is sponsored by WestKiss Hair. And before I even show you guys the full wig, let me tell y'all this wig is amazing. It's so beautiful. But y'all will just see that later on. So I'm so happy that they gave me a bonnet because I was saying how I needed a bonnet. Like, you see, I was just so excited and so happy. Like, I've never been so happy to get a bonnet. And the bonnet is so pretty. Besides that, they gave me a little manual. This will tell you how to wash the hair, how to measure, all of that, how to take care of the hair, you know. And then they also gave me an elastic band so I could use to melt down the lace. They also sent me a wig cap for when I'm getting the wig installed. And then they sent me a little baggie so I can put the wig in after it's installed and I take it out, or like, you know, before I go to my appointment, because as y'all can see, the box was already ripped. Here's the wig. It's a HD 26-inch wig. I had them send it to me in a medium cap size, and this is obviously body wave. Y'all can tell how pretty this wig is, how soft and shiny and wavy, like straight out the package you could see. And this is HD lace, and I compared it to my skin, and it literally melted into my skin without me even having to spray nothing on it. So I already know that this wig is going to be laid when I get it installed. I cannot wait for you guys to see my hair, or like when I get it installed in a few days, because I'm just making this intro like before that. But you guys will see in a few seconds how it melts into my skin, and I'm just excited. And not to mention, although it's 26 inches, it appears to be longer, which I love. This wig already came plucked, as you can see the hairline, but obviously we're still gonna pluck it and bleach the knots.
Looking at life, I say it's way too short. She called my phone, she want my love, I said that's way too hard. She said she thinking about a kid, I said you way too far. She said we last a couple years, I said you way too long. You weren't there when I wanted, now you here for the money, so I'm here for the moment. You weren't there when I wanted, now you here for the money, so I'm here for the moment. Before I got this money, it was fuck you, I don't want you around. I got this money, so it's baby, can we talk it out? What type of shit you want? I think that's what they want me about. You let your color show, so I'ma take that better route. Then I started thinking about these riches in my spare time. So then the mission, make some money on the sidelines. I put my music in the front, I said it's grind time. I wrote like 50 songs an hour in the nighttime. I don't want no friends, so please don't hit me up. Forgot your name, oh shit, I blame amnesia. I flash some cash, she want the bag, so she give kitty up. I flash the cash, she want some bags, so she give kitty up. I'm just that same old nigga regardless. The only difference be my garments. I eat my food like I was really out here starving. That's because I grew up with the heartless. Yeah, she call, I say I'm busy, then she tell me make time. She want me take her for some steak and on some daytime. But I ain't quaking, I'm just waiting for a great time. She came from Harvard cause she got who gave me great mind. I'm in the game, I'm finna put him in a burial. Oh kill him, feel like Terrio. Slim denims for material. Bad weather, need a miracle. Looking at life, I say it's way too short. She called my phone, she want my love, I said that's way too hard. She said she thinking about a kid, I said you way too far. She said we last a couple years, I said you way too long. You weren't there when I wanted, now you here for the money, so I'm here for the moment. You weren't there when I wanted, now you here for the money, so I'm here for the moment. Little thing.
I be feeling through my rags when I walk. This time, this time. I cannot see straight, I might have a fever. You did me wrong, I had you down, this cannot be fair. I cannot breathe, someone please get a wheelchair. This what they mean, they say love is a warfare. Love is a dream, but this shit a nightmare. My heart was warm, now it's flooded with ice there. Why did you leave? That shit came out of nowhere. Anything you I gonna need, I'ma be there. Anytime you ever down, it was me there. I picked you up, you put me down and went elsewhere. You did me wrong and now you ain't think to see that. Play like I play, now it's hard to believe it. Play like I play, now it's hard to believe that. tryna think if I'm dreaming or no. I don't know, no. Man, I feel no. Not about to leave me here in the cold. Let's take a trip to Turks and Caicos. Second chance for you, I'll give those. I'm tryna go back, answer my calls, Anyone that made you stress, they had to beware. Cause I shoot it any second till you freak it. I shoot it any second till you freak it. Look, I'ma wake up from this nightmare. Look, I'ma show you how to repair. Look, I ain't fucking with that old no.